Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel, Home Economics with Amna. Firstly, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. May this new year bring new stuff and happiness to all of you. Thank you to everyone who liked to watch my mom's channel and who has subscribed. It means a lot to us. Today we are making chocolate rice crispy bun. This recipe is very easy to make. I think everyone can make it. You can have these for snacks or for your desserts that we love to have after dinner. So let's get started. In order to make Rice Krispie Buns, firstly we need 230 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, which I am going to weigh on the weighing scales. Break chocolate into small pieces. If you would like to have some, just munch on it. Add 50 to 55 grams of unsalted butter. If you don't have unsalted butter, you can use salted butter. Now I am going to heat this in the microwave for about 40 seconds. As you can see, the chocolate and butter are softened, so keep stirring frequently. As you can see, there are still some chocolate lumps in the ball, so you have to reheat it for another 30 seconds. Make sure that there are no lumps of chocolates, no lumps and no dumps. And here we go. We keep on stirring until it gets nice and smooth. You can double boil chocolate if you want, but we prefer to melt chocolate in the microwave because it's just so easy. Here we are taking 3 cups of Rice Krispies in a big mixing bowl. I am using a measuring cup to measure the Rice Krispies. Now we are going to pour chocolate into the Rice Krispies. Keep stirring as we go. Try to get everything nicely coated with the chocolate. And keep on stirring. Obviously, it will help them to stick or bind together. Now we are going to line cupcake holders in a muffin tray. Now with the help of a trigger release ice cream scoop, we'll put 1 scoop of the chocolate coated Rice Krispies in each cupcake holder. You can decorate these with your favorite chocolates. We like to decorate these buns with sprinkles and some of our other favorite chocolates. So, there we are, nice and easy to do. Now, what we are going to do is put them into the fridge, let them chill out for about an hour. You can cover them with a cling wrap if you want and place them into the fridge, nice and simple. We left the Rice Krispie Buns into the fridge for about an hour or so. I think it's time to take them out and try. Oh yes, lovely now, these are ready to eat. Which one should I pick? I think this one over here may has a bit more chocolate, so I am going to go with this one. Look at that. It looks so delicious, lovely and crunchy. We are going to have these for our snack today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.